As a branch off of the American Society of Civil Engineers, UNLV students participate in a club where they must make a structural impossibility possible.
What we do is we have to make a concrete canoe. It has to fit 4 people, and it also has to float while it's being paddled in the water. And the whole purpose is that we compete with 17 other universities.
Right now we're practicing at Lake Mead. Hopefully soon we'll start at Lake Las Vegas, but we go every Saturday morning around 7. We paddle for about 4 hours.
So the real question is, how do you make concrete float?
So concrete is made out of 4 different components, which is your water, your coarse and your fine aggregates, and in English, that's your rock and your sand, and your cement. How we make it float is that we use somewhat regular cement. It's very lightweight, so it's not your typical concrete. This kind of stuff, it's really light, and it's less dense than water.
In the molds of our canoes, there's actually a little bit of a mark in each one where each person has to sit based on our analysis. If they sit somewhere else, the distribution's going to be off, and then potentially something might.
Members take pride in being able to create something that most people don't understand.
I think making something that sounds impossible be possible. I think that's what I'm taking the most pride and joy into it, to say like, yeah, I can make concrete float, what can you do?
The team will start building this year's canoe in December. For Studio G, I'm Cassie Soto.